Oh man. Honey buns, honey buns, honey buns. The Lord is smiling down on us because we have had bop after bop after bop after bop, ain't we? Kinky texture, natural curls, pull and go 360, which means you could put it up in a what? Ponytail. Glueless? Yes. HD lace wig, invisible adjustable strap with 4C curly edges, baby. Did you hear me what I say? Now this right here is for my natural wig lovers. Y'all like that kinky edge? Y'all like for it to look like it came from that scalp? Y'all like for it to give follicle? Turn to your neighbor and say follicle. If you hear guitar in the background, you know what's going on. Y'all think that's my hair right there. That ain't mine. You think it is? Look, you just think it is. Look at that edge. Y'all know I got fine natural hair, baby. Huh? You know if you have fine natural hair, you understand what I'm saying, baby. We be having edges.
They just be fine in the mud.
You turn the wrong way, them suckers gone. You got to turn like this the whole time so folk know you got edges, honey. We don't have to do that with this wig. Look at that hairline. You just think it's mine. Speaking of hairlines, because I can't let it go. Look at that Legos hairline. I can't let it go. I'm gonna be doing more and more and more Legos hairlines because I'm getting comfortable with them. I'm getting used to them because my natural hair is not shaped like that. So I'm just having fun with this, right? But you know what's so funny? The Legos hairline gives anybody with a big old 5 head like me the opportunity to shrink it down to a 4 head, right? Babe, I got such a 5 head that regular 4 heads don't even look right on me. Huh? My 5 head is so proficient that a 4 head on me looks underachieving. My 5 head is like that, ahead of the game. When I tried to make it kind of low and sit low and dip it down and take it to the floor, I was looking at it, I was like, this don't even belong to me. I ain't got no bit, this don't belong to me. It was so much to where you're seeing the thing, I had to lighten it a little bit right here so it looked like it's coming up even further. Because see, I like my 5. Some people don't like their 5 heads. Y'all got to let that go. Now this is for somebody, I don't know who need to hear this. Y'all need to go ahead and let that go. Because see, it's all kind of glitter up and through him. You see, it's glitter and happiness and joy up and through him. I didn't do a strong part. I wanted this to look so natural. I wanted to look like this is my hair, okay? When clearly I did like a little finger part and I just kind of, you know, finagled it because it came out the box like this. I didn't throw a wand curl in here. You think I did? I didn't.
I didn't throw not nail one wand curl up in this wig.
Y'all, this is from Wild African. You already know. When it comes to these hairlines, I have never had a problem with Wild African when it comes to these hairlines. And now I get to play with these Legos hairlines. I'm really, really excited. This is the push and pull cap. Fit is going to be like this. You can customize your own fit. It's gonna have the elastic. You can set that how you wanna set it. And then it has the invisible string. And I pull, I get it good and snatch, honey. I want it to be good snatch. Just in case, if you feel like shouting, you need to ensure that you are not putting the ushers on the spot like that. If you know your wig is weeble wobbling, don't even put, or at least do like this and let them know, hey, you might wanna stand on each side and in the back of me. Because you know, I didn't listen to Mary Kay. I didn't. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy. This wig about to be gone. Just let them know that. They'll put it in the wig room off to the side. If you want to shout adequately, you need to go ahead and put this wig on. First of all, it's fly. And if you at Revival, only the fly wigs apply. You know what I'm saying? Or second service. You got to wear the fly wigs, right? Or winter conference, you got to wear the fly wigs, especially if you're not wearing a hat. You know what I'm saying? I haven't gotten to that point yet where I'm in the hat ministry within the church, but maybe one day, I don't know. It depends on how God sees fit for my life. But right now, I'm a part of the wig ministry, the strong wig ministry. And this wig right here, the main thing that I wanted was to keep it natural, which is why I chose the natural kinky edges and the Legos hairline. You don't have to get the Legos hairline if you don't want to. You can get the regular, because listen, their regular hairlines are like that too. When I tell you they pre-pluck, baby, if you get the regular hairline, it's gonna eat as well. It's gonna eat as well, the whole buffet, okay? Now, I melted it because it looked too good not to be melted. You know, it looked way too good not to be melted.
That's why.
I have 14 inches and I have pre-cut lace. So the lace was already cut for me. I didn't have to do I just had to style it how I want it to be styled. Ooh. Pre-everything. Pre-mill HD lace. Plucked hairline. Bleach notch. Yes. Real HD lace. One lace matches all skin tones. Huh? We talked about this. Okay. If you don't know, hey, you got to catch up on my video. Y'all got to watch my video. You think I'm out here doing this for? Some of y'all be asking me when you see stuff. Y'all be like, ooh, what's that gel you use? Or what's that mousse you use? It's going to be in the description box, okay? I don't say that enough. I need to tell y'all because some of y'all are new. Everything that y'all see me use will be in the description box, okay? If I have any promo codes, which I try to do all the time, especially when it's a wig like this. I love this. This looks so good and natural. I look like a grown woman. You ever get, I'm telling you, 80s babies, y'all know what I'm going through. 80s made me, 90s raised me. Yeah, we still trying to figure out which way to go. We still trying to figure out if we old yet. We don't quite know yet because we still feel like we felt when we had just turned 30. So we don't really know. But then the perimenopause changes everything, and then it'd be like, oh, hold on. So y'all got to pray for us. We trying to get it worked out, but we don't all the way know. I don't know what it is about 14 inches. 14 inches has been eating down lately. If you know, you know. If you've been watching these previous videos, I didn't know. I didn't know 14 was like that. I didn't know. I've always skipped over 14, 16. 14, 16 never have done anything for me. But baby, is this not the year of the 14-inch wig? Beautiful. I just want you to know you got a good hairline. This wig is very nice. This wig is very nice. Wow, African, you've done it again. I can attend anyone's conference on today. So I'm about to go downstairs and prance in front of my man. And I'm gonna let y'all get to this demo. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, okay? Wow, African, you ain't have to do it like this. And which one we doing next, honey? Look at it. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Woo! You want to become a part of the K team, channel members, hit join a big baby, okay? And y'all watch what I do.
You broke my heart 1,000,000 times. Can't count the times I made you cry. Oh, it's such a mess now, and we're burning out. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Can we be honest? You're my comfort zone. Whatever I say, don't let me go. I know you're angry, babe, and I am cold. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Oh, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry. We got something special, but you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? No, no, I can't let you go. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry. Things just ain't the same. Can't see what's in front of me. Yeah, don't wanna keep playing this game. I gotta stop before it is too late. It's too late. I know I'm not okay. I feel myself fading away. What a childish game to play. We'll never know how close we came. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is too much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, watching you go. I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same.
do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss.